Hello, myself Asis Pastor, and here I'm going to talk about the low cost airline. Here, my student ID 32128 186. This is my website, Eastern Airways. Let's go with the signing. Let's check is it user exist or not. So first I will put my name Asis and I will put my password as well as. So here I'm going to for login. So you can see that the username does not exist. So for that I have to go for the create a new account. So it's basically sign up. So here there are boxes, first name Asis and the last name Pausa. Here I'm going to put the email. I will put the random address as well as basically I'm from India, so I'm starting with the 91. I'll put my phone number, passport and password as well as. Now let's click on sign up and let's go for login again. So I have put again Asis and password already I mentioned it. Let's go for login. Here you can see the dashboard of Eastern Airways and right inside pop up my name with the logos with profile and booking. So we'll go through last. So you're going for the passenger one. I'm going to select one and there's three sections: economic, business and first class. So here I want to travel Ahmedabad to Dubai. First I will try with random dates. Is it flight available or not? If it is not, then it show me there is no flight on that day. So let me choose the date. Here I go on 1928. Yeah, search. As I mentioned before, there's none flight. This couldn't find any flight from Ahmedabad to Dubai on between 28 to 31st. Let's go with again selection Ahmedabad to Dubai. Here I'm going to put the right date when I want to travel. So date in on 6th June, and I will go put the return ticket as well as. Let's search it. Now if the pop up the flights, here is flight number, date, then hours from travel. So when I click on details, there is one pop up coming up. It's economy, 2 allowance and one with 25 kg Ahmedabad to Dubai. It's same for the both and 200 pound deal. Let's click on view deal. Once I click on view deal, you can see that the economy class flight details travel date is 100 pound each. Let's go for the next. You can see the left and right hand side on next button. Now it's going to selection. I'm going to select A11 and another one is B11 from return flight. Yeah. So here I'm going to put my passenger details like RCs as I mentioned below in sign up form. Let's put my passport number as well as and choose the select adult. Here you can go for the next. Once I go for the next, you can see the economy class 100 pound each or 200 pound I have to pay. And now let's move on to the payment. You can click on the let's pay as well as or finish as well as. Let's go with the finish. Once I click on finish, the left hand side I can go for the highlights, the all steps completed. Now let's check my profile and my booking as well as. So let's go with the profile. Here my name, passport number, email. If I want to change password, I can do that, the old password and new password as well as. Now let's go for the check my bookings. Yeah, you can see that my booking, economy, seat selection, 200 pound and date with my name. Now let's go for the logout and let's try with another way. If I go with the random user, so I can go with the demo. I'm going with the demo right now. before going and signing. So I want to travel London from Amsterdam, so I will select the London. Now let's move on to arrival airport, Amsterdam. Here you go. I will put the departure date as well as and arrival date. Okay, now going for the search, and this is my flight number. So if I going for the view deal, overall is £200, they take me to the again next step is where is reserve options. When I click on the reserve option, it's take me to the login page. So what I do, I already create the RCs as I mentioned below before. So I'm going with that user again, login. Now you can see that again I came back on that page where I want to do it, my other process. So let's go for the departure and return flight selection. So it's going for the A11 and I'm going for the random seat selection as well as T11. In this project I mentioned with the flight details, seat selection, passenger information and payment date. So you saw it before as well as. So here I'm going for the put, as I mentioned before, the demo user. Passport number and finish. So once I click it, as I show you in RC's booking, you can see that another booking over there. Thank you. That's my project. Thank you for